So we have 3 reports. Now we will look at the movie industry overview first. So in this view, we look at the industry by decade. For example, the 2010s, the total value for the market is 269. PG-13 is the top rating with 52% market share. The top genre is action with 48% market share. Warner Bros. Is the top company for this decade with 9% market share. And the top movie is Adventure Endgame, 1%. We also have the charts here for on the year to look at on the trend, and I leave it for the whole period so that we can easily compare from each year to the other and one decade to the other. For the year 2020, maybe we didn't have enough data, but also there was a pandemic going on that year, so the movie industry has experienced a very bad decrease that year. If we want to look at the other decade, let's say 1990, yeah, we can choose that, and it will bring it to the other decade of 1990 with on this overview. So the total value 94 billion. As is the top rating, the top genre also action, but only 35% compared to 48 for the 2020. Top company in Universal Picture, 10% market share, and Titanic is a top movie. Yeah, so if we want to look at the snapshot by years, we can also click on the bar here. Let's say the 2015, when we click on that, it will bring us to the yearly snapshot. So for this one, we look at the genre. Here on the genre, I will give the other pictures of the genre label here. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. I never know why. So I try to figure it out, but I will send the other picture of that. The runtime, there are no movie with the runtime of more than 3 hours for this year. Here the top 10 company, the total value for this year is 28 billion. The top movie is the one of the Star Wars and more than $2 billion. If we want to look at the other year, we can just choose it from here. Let's see if we look at the latest year of 2019. Yeah, the year 2019, we do have more movie with more than 3 hour running time. The total value for this year is 30 billion, and top movie is the Endgame. So here the top 10 movie. If we want to look at the other rank, let's say from 10 to 13, yeah, we can choose that. And it's bring up to the just the same year but different ranking. Yeah. Now, if we want to look at the detail on the movie of each genre, we can just click on that, and it's bring us into the movie detail for that genre. Now, if for animation, the rankings is based on the gross revenue. So the first one have the best gross revenue. You can also change that by click on the button here to look at the smaller one instead of the bigger one, or the year if we want to look at the more recent year or the older year. And for the score, the same for the score. So the average score is 6.4, and every movie have the score more than 7. I will give it a smiley face. From 5 to 7 a meh one, and less than 7 a sad face. So just to have a better idea on how the professional opinion on that movie. And if we want to look at the other one, general one, we can just choose that. And yeah, the same thing here. We can look at that. And we can click here to go back to the yearly snapshot. Or you can also click even further to go to the overview by itself. Now I will try to open my overview once again and see if I can take out the genre. Yeah, now it worked. I couldn't